Good morning, super moms. Good morning, super kids. I hope you all are fine. Today, we will do word meanings of lesson number 2. So, we have written already the day, that is Friday, and today's date is 11/6/2021. Okay, lesson number 2, good habits. Okay, now what you have to do, over here near the margin, we'll start writing word meanings. Word meanings. By touching the lines we have to write, don't take out of the line. Word meanings. Okay, yes. Then number 1 over here we'll write, first word is teeth. Teeth means, you know what it means. It's a body part. For example, we're having hand, then that is our body part. Then we are having legs, then legs are also body part. Then over here what it is, teeth means body part. Body part. Body part. Over here, super moms, you have to check that my super kids should speak and write. Okay, teeth means body part. Okay, now second one is morning. Now I will speak and write, then you should also speak and write. Ma or ra, na, e, na, ga. Morning. Morning means what? In the morning what happens, sun rises. Then what you have to write over here, sa, sun, then rises, ra, e, sa, rises. Sun rises in the morning. Yes. Now over here number 3, milk. Ma, e, l, k. Milk means who gives us milk? Cows, है ना? Now I am giving you a name of cow only because it's easy also for you. You can recall it very easily in your mind whenever you are writing. Okay, as you know that buffaloes also give us milk over here. Then we'll write only cows give us. Cows gives us milk. Okay. Now number 4, truth. Truth you write over here, true. True. Truth means true. Okay. Now number 5 you will write, truth means true. Now from here you will get the spelling of true. You will borrow from here. As we are doing true or false, so ye true spelling it is over here, है ना? So then from here you will come to know from here the spelling. Then you will write over here and then we will write here a. Okay, truth means true, such. Okay, then you write next word is God. God. God means almighty. Almighty. Allah, then you know the spelling of light, l, e, g, h, t. Then over here might spelling is like that way. In place of l we will write ma, and then ma, e, g, h, t. Now you see over here all might, and then here you will write, then it will become almighty God. Okay. Now over here 6th number will write over here, learn. Learn means to get skill. यानी हम जब कुछ सीखते हैं तो हमें उस चीज़ का हमें नॉलेज हो जाता है ना. नाउ यू सी एक्टिविटी होता है ना आपका, आप देखो कल आपने बनाना शेक बनाया था तो आपने लर्न किया, तो व्हाट इट मीन्स टू गेट स्किल, आप अपने आप को स्किलफुल बना रहे हो, है ना, आपको नॉलेज मिल रही है उसकी, ठीक है। नाउ यू सी लर्न मीन्स टू गेट स्किल, टू गेट स्किल। नाउ 7 नंबर विल राइट ओवर हियर हैबिट्स। हैबिट्स का मतलब होता है आपका बिहेवियर। तो यहाँ पे हैबिट्स, यहाँ पे हैबिट नहीं लिखा हुआ है, हैबिट्स यानी मीन्स आपके गुड हैबिट्स, है ना, आपकी अच्छी आदतें, अच्छी आदतें। सो यू विल राइट दैट वेज, आपके पास एक वेज तो होता नहीं है, बहुत सारे वेज होते हैं ना आपके बिहेव करने के, आपके अच्छे बिहेवियर होते हैं वो बहुत सारे होते हैं। तो वेज टू बिहेव, हैबिट्स का मतलब है आपके अच्छा बिहेव करना, तो वो बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं। तो वेज टू बिहेव, वेज टू बिहेव, वेज टू बिहेव। हैबिट्स का मतलब होता है आपकी आदतें, तो वेज टू बिहेव, वेज टू बिहेव यानी आपके बिहेव करने का तरीका। ओके, नाउ over next page will write over here 8 number will write over here health, health, health means sound, health means sound in body, sound in body, sound in body, sound, हेल्थ मीन्स साउंड इन बॉडी। अब आप देखो जब आप ठीक होते हो तो आपको बोलते हैं ना, अरे दिस बॉय इज़ वेरी हेल्दी बॉय, और आप बीमार होते हो तो क्या बोलते हैं, ये बच्चा तो हेल्दी नहीं है क्योंकि ये तो बीमार है। नाउ हेल्थ मीन्स साउंड इन बॉडी, साउंड इन बॉडी, हेल्थ मीन्स साउंड इन बॉडी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज ओवर हियर क्वेश्चन आंसर, क्वेश्चन आंसर, क्वेश्चन आंसर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, first question we'll write over here. First question, what should we have, what should we have, what should we have, what should we have, question mark, what should we have, question mark, what should we have, question mark. Then over here what we have to write, number 1 we have to write be, so number 2 we will write should, we should have, number 3 will be have. Now we will start from here, from the question. It's a magic, from the question we are getting the answer, it's a magic. Okay, so first we will write over here we, then we will write over here should, we should have, what we should have, what is the name of this lesson, good habits. Now from the lesson name only we'll get the answer. We should have good habits, we should have good habits, habits. Okay, you write over here very nicely. What we should have good habits. From the question we'll get the answer. So number 1 we'll write we, then over here number 2 we'll write should, and then number 3 we'll write have, and then we'll write over here good habits. Okay, now after that we have to leave one line, this one line we have to leave, because we have completed this first question na? First question is completed, so one line we will leave, it will look very good. Okay, now question number 2, question number 2 you have to write Question number 2 will write when we should. Now we always write like this way, when should we, but over here for your convenience, that case, so that students should learn very nicely in a easy way. So I have written like this way. Two ways we can write the question. So when we should, I am writing over here like this way, but the question will be like this way also, that case, when should we go to bed, when we should go to bed, go to bed, question mark. Now over here, see, magic is over here like this way. From the question we'll get the answer if you're writing like this way. Number 1 we, then should, number 2 go, number 3. See, from the question we are getting the answer. It's a magic. Now you see, as it is we have to write, okay, answer. We should. Now I am writing the answer over here. We, first letter will be capital we, then over here number 2 is should. We should go to bed. From the question we'll get the answer. We should go to bed at night. Na e g hurt night, and then full stop. Now you see, from the question we come to know the answer. When we should go to bed, so we should go to bed at night. Okay, now what we have to do, on the next page. Now on the next page we'll write question number 3. Question number 3 we'll write over here, when should. Now you see, first I told you that we can write like this way. Now you came to know that from the question we'll get the answer. So when should we get up? When should we get up? When should we get up? Now over here, number 1 we'll write we should get up. Number 2 should, then number 3 get, and number 4 up. Okay, now we'll write from the question only we'll get the answer. So first one is we, first letter will be capital we, then should. We should get up. We should get up early. Now what is the spelling of early? Year spelling na. So first we'll write here over here year spelling, and then year. Early, then we'll write over here early in the morning. In the morning. Okay, now full stop. Now super kids, super moms, we have done this question 1, 2 and 3 and word meanings. You have to do this one in very good handwriting in your English notebook, and rest of the question answers we will do tomorrow, and we will I will send you to all. Please send the work to your in charges. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.